There are several div components, each of which represents a different form. The first three div components are circles, since they have the class circle attached to them. The class name rectangle on the fourth div element denotes that it symbolises a rectangle. The class name circle2 on the final two div components denotes that they represent circles of a different design. The body selector sets the background color of the page to a dark bluish color. It sets the margin to 0 to remove any default margin around the page. Display flex is used to create a flex container for centering the shapes horizontally and vertically. Justify content center aligns the flex container's content horizontally and vertically to the center. The circle selector sets the styles for elements with the class circle. It defines the width and height of the circle as 80 pixels. Box size and border box ensures that the specified width and height include the border thickness. It sets the border thickness to 10 pixels and the border color to a pinkish red shade. Border radius 50% creates a circular shape by making the border corners fully rounded. The rectangle selector sets the styles for elements with the class rectangle. It defines the width and height of the rectangle as 60 and 50 pixels. The background color is set to the same shade of pinkish red used for the circle borders. Negative margin left and margin right values of -10 pixels slightly overlap the rectangle with the circles, creating a visually connected shape. The Circle2 selector sets the styles for elements with the class Circle2. It positions the circles absolutely within the closest position ancestor. It defines the width and height of the circle as 80 pixels. The background color is set to a light peach color. The border thickness is set to 10 pixels, and the border color is the same dark bluish color used for the background. Box size and border box is used to ensure the specified width and height include the box thickness. The Circle2 top and Circle2 bottom selectors apply additional styles to the top and bottom circles. The top property is set to 57.2 pixels, position the top circle vertically from its original position. The bottom property is set to 57.2 pixels, position the bottom circle vertically from its original position.